Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this BLUSHSENSE tutorial, please hit the like button, and please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave and ring the bell. So let's jump right into it. Hey guys, so I wanted to hop on and do a blush tutorial. I don't know about you guys, if you know this about me, if you've been around, or if you personally know me. I love blush, and especially I love BLUSHSENSE from Senegence. It is amazing because not only is it blush for your cheeks, but you can use it on your eyes, on your lips, as concealer. And this little tube, I have talked about BLUSHSENSE before because there's all different shades. I've used the bronze BLUSHSENSE for contour, and if you've been around for a while, you know you've seen it, and these last a long time. I just bought this one like last month in March, and it'll probably last me 6 months, 8 months. This is the BLUSHSENSE is called I almost dropped it, Terra Corte. Now Terra Corte is an orange peachy kind of blush, which is so pretty, and one of these tubes lasts a long time, but it is $30. I will put my very own link down below so that you can shop the BLUSHSENSE, and trust me, it's a cream to powder BLUSHSENSE. It's water resistant, it's smudge proof, it's not gonna come off till you take it off, and you don't need much of this. So this is called Terra Corte. It comes in a little tube with a cap on it. It is amazing, and it has skincare, anti-aging in it. It is amazing. So what are the chances that you get to have blush on your face that looks pretty, that you like, that actually is helping your skin over time? So you don't need much of this. I'm going to show you how to put it on your cheeks. I already have my CCTM on, and you don't need much of that. That's probably a lot. So I'm going to smooth it out. It's a cream to powder. Once it is applied, I'm using my Senegence contour angled brush. I got it packet. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of a peachy. I don't know if the camera showing it right, but I'm just going to pick it up with my brush, and I'm going to put it right on to my contour where I contoured my face. And actually today off camera, before I came on, I actually did my contour up a little bit higher because I usually go down here, but I did it a little bit higher, and I only did these two spots, and then I used the rest. So right on my cheeks, and I'm going backwards. Oh my gosh, it like blends in, but it is amazing. Now I will show you in the coming weeks, months, how to use BLUSHSENSE for your eyes and your lips. So you might want to stay tuned for that. So I did my foundation a little bit lighter today because I knew that I was gonna do the Terra Corte BLUSHSENSE. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will go in more natural lighting to show you the end result. But I don't know if you can see that, but when I look in the mirror, like not on the camera, but in the mirror, it looks amazing with the CCTM. So there's like light pink blush, there's a fuchsia blush, which is called Berry, I think. I will try to list all of the blushes down below in the description, and I will post that link. So I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup and come back with the end result for you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result, and this is how my makeup look turned out. I am in more natural lighting than I was in the bathroom. I switched to another room in my house, and this is how it turned out. I really like how it ties in with my CCTM in the shade Deep for contour. Like, this is the perfect blush sense for spring and summer looks because it just matches so well. So I am grabbing this. This little tube is $30, but it will last you over 6 months. Trust me. It has lasted me a very long time. So I will put my very own link down below so that you can shop the BLUSHSENSE or any of the Senegence products that we sell. So please please give this video a like. Please also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to ring the bell before you leave so that you will be notified when I post a new video every single time. First come, first serve before anyone else. Thanks for watching.